EPAWA meteorologist Bobby Martich here with your outlook for November 12th, 2024. It is Tuesday, and the Tuesday video forecast is proudly sponsored by Mark Damiani Painting Incorporated. Colder weather will be here before you know it, and it's time to start thinking about freshening up that family room for those Friday nights on the couch, binging your favorite TV shows, or turning that man cave into the colors of your favorite sports team. Let them help you with any interior project this coming winter. They are family owned and operated with over 40 years in business, so you can't go wrong with their exceptional attention to detail and great customer service, servicing the Southeast PA counties of Montgomery, Bucks, and Chester. Call them now to schedule a free estimate. The phone number above me here in the video, 484-571-9233, and mention EPAWA to get 15% off the total cost of any job scheduled between December and March of this coming winter. They are Mark Damiani Painting Incorporated, proud sponsor of the Tuesday video forecast. So big changes today, at least temporarily. We have below average temperatures for a change. We haven't seen that in a while, and that is not a misprint above me here. 48 to 54 is the temperature spread today. That is at least slightly below average temperatures across the entire region, and 50 to 54 we're expecting here on Wednesday. Probably similar here on Thursday as well. I think these next 3 days are going to be the coolest we've seen so far as high temperatures for this fall on a consistent basis for the next 3 days anyway. And we're going to have some of the coldest temperatures seen this fall coming in tonight and again on Wednesday night, with mostly clear skies expected both nights, and temperatures in some places getting in the mid-20s. It's going to be pretty chilly on both nights. So it's just to kind of let you know that we're kind of getting deeper into autumn here, and the temperatures are starting to keep coming down as we go forward in time. And we're still doing this up and down nonsense that I talked about. We were going to have a recovery late in the week, but we're not recovering back to the upper 70s and near 80 like we were doing before. We're getting back into the lower 60s again as we head to this weekend and early next week until another cold front comes through. So up and down is going to continue. Here's the cold front that is moving through. It is a dry front for our region because the best forcing is going to be up here in southeastern Canada, northern New England, but we will have the wind associated with this today. We are expecting wind gusts 15 to 25 miles per hour out of the northwest, and some peak gusts in the upper 20s to near 30. Wouldn't be surprised at higher elevations here, especially in the Pocono Plateau here, to see some gust in the mid-30s, but that would be the extent of it. This is going to be generally during the daylight hours today. Once you reach the evening, we're going to start seeing those winds diminishing pretty quickly. Okay, so it's a during the daylight thing as the cold front's moving through. Cold air advection-related wind gusts, and that will be breezy throughout the entire day today. Now, we go forward to Wednesday. High pressure is going to be over top of the region, so the winds are going to be negligible on Wednesday, but we are still going to have mostly sunny skies and temperatures very similar, maybe a degree or two warmer here on Wednesday, but it is going to be a calm wind that day, so it's going to feel a lot warmer than it will today because you're going to have a wind chill today, which we haven't seen in a while. And the next system's going to be coming at us on Thursday. Now, we do think it's going to be mostly cloudy skies out ahead of this. The GFS is a little bit more enthused than just about everything else with these showers moving through the region. I think it's going to be approaching here. How far east does it get is in question, and how much is going to hold together is the other question. I really don't think it's going to be that much rain. We didn't have that much rain here the other night, but, I mean, it was something. It was something beneficial. I don't think it's going to be as beneficial for most of the area until you got here to maybe south central PA. You might have a little bit more there, but as it moves farther east, it's going to kind of fall apart. The NAM's doing that here too, and this is late in the day here on Thursday, more likely the evening. You get some scattered showers moving eastward, but it kind of just falls apart like that. See that? It gets to south central PA, and that doesn't really get too much farther east and northeast from there. Maybe a few light showers here during the evening hours here on Thursday, but I wouldn't expect that you're going to have much of that. Might not even have measurable stuff here as far east in these areas here, but when you get down here in these areas, you could have something at least. Not a lot, but something measurable there for that. We'll continue to follow that over the next couple of days. Again, the GFS is a little bit more enthused than some other models are as far as the eastward and northeastward extent of the precipitation and how much you're going to get, okay? I don't think it's one of those deals where you're getting several, more than a quarter of an inch of rain like we had the other day, okay? So that's this system here, moves through, and we're going to have, this is actually a warm front, and once the warm front pushes through, we are going to be seeing temperatures increase. So it's a gradual increase and progressive increase, but increase nevertheless. Early clouds on Friday giving way to mostly sunny skies in the afternoon, and then Saturday is also a mostly sunny day, but we're talking about upper 50s to maybe near 60 in some areas here on Friday and Saturday. And then Sunday looks like you're going to be on either side of 60 degrees, also with partly cloudy skies. This next frontal boundary coming at us might bring a few showers with a quick moving short wave up to our north and the associated cold front with that. So we'll be mild out ahead of it here on Monday, and then you could have a shower or two rolling through with that front, and then we have cooler temperatures moving in for next Tuesday in the wake of that system. So we have some opportunities here for rain, but they're really nothing to write home about right now. There's not a lot of rain. National Weather Service is issuing red flag warnings today for the region, even though we just had that rain. Again, it wasn't enough to offset the drought conditions. So because it's going to be windy, soils are still dry, we're going to have a increased fire risk, so be wary of that today. I'm EPAWA meteorologist Bobby Marters. That is your outlook for November 12th. There we go. November 12th, 2024. Have a great Tuesday.